Tired of yet another store-bought protein which has 20 ingredients that you can't pronounce? Every day there's a new protein powder that's being launched and we don't know which one is good and which one's bad. So I have a special solution for you. Today we're taking protein back to basics. We're going to make a fantastic homemade protein powder that takes just 5 minutes. No fancy ingredients, no additives, no expensive equipment. It's super easy and I'm very excited to share this recipe with you. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Fit Chef, your fit guide to a fit life. If you're new here, then I want you to know that this channel is all about giving you sustainable, healthy options that you can easily replicate in your home and live a happier, healthier life. Today's power pack recipe is going to be a homemade protein powder, which I personally give to my son every single day because it's safe, it's smart, and it's delicious. If you're a vegetarian or a vegan or somebody who's constantly feeling tired, it's possible that you're not hitting your protein target, and that's where the homemade protein powder steps in. Here's what you'll need: hemp seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and some sunflower seeds. All you need to do is pop all the ingredients in a regular mixer or grinder and then grind it into this coarse consistency, and your homemade DIY protein powder is ready. Store it in an airtight container and always keep it in the freezer, as the seeds are high in fat. This keeps them fresh for longer. The best way to consume this protein powder is to make a delicious shake at 4 p.m. I do that every single day for my son before he heads for football because it gives him sustained energy and a big boost of protein. If you want to get your hands on that recipe, then comment the word protein below and I'd love to share the recipe with you. If you enjoyed this fantastic homemade protein recipe, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and keep watching for a lot more fun content of DIY stuff that you can do easily at home.